Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy API integrations with RapidAPI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy API integrations with RapidAPI, start by creating a free account on the RapidAPI website. Once signed in, navigate to the API marketplace to explore various APIs available for integration. Select the API you wish to use by clicking on it for more details. Read through the API documentation to understand its features, endpoints, and authentication. To test the API, click on the Test Endpoint tab. Fill in any necessary parameters and headers as specified in the documentation. Click the Test Endpoint button to see the API response in real time. If you are satisfied with the results, move on to the integration process. Locate the Endpoints tab in the API dashboard to view all available endpoints. Select the endpoint you need and review the associated code snippets for your preferred programming language. Copy the code snippet provided, as this will serve as the base for your integration. Open your development environment and create a new project or use an existing one. Paste the copied code snippet into your project. Make sure to substitute any placeholder values, such as API keys or parameters, with your actual data. Install any necessary libraries to facilitate the API call, ensuring you follow the specific instructions in the API documentation. Run your project to test the integration. Verify the output and ensure it matches the expected results. If any issues arise, refer back to the API documentation for troubleshooting guidance. Once the integration is working smoothly, consider adding error handling for a robust implementation. Deploy your project to your preferred hosting platform following standard deployment practices. Monitor the API usage through the RapidAPI dashboard for insights into performance and usage statistics. Finally, update your API integration as necessary based on any future changes in the API or your application needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.